guess what time it is? It's time for a new digital mystery box.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
A Hello Kitty mystery box. Woohoo! This hat is from the mystery box. Isn't it cute? In this mystery box, there's 3 digital image sets and they're all Hello Kitty. There's 2 Christmas ones and a celebrations one. Where the hat came from. This box is only $29.99. You're getting a great deal because you're only going to get that price for all 3 sets during this mystery box. You get 10% off if you have Cricut access, just like you get 10% off everything. My discount code does not work on digital images, so my discount code will not work on this digital mystery box. And it's available to our Canada friends. There's a link in the description below, so click that link. I do get a small commission only when you click that link. If you want to be notified of all the mystery boxes as soon as they're released, sign up for my email list. There's a link in the description. I can't wait to see what you guys make with the Hello Kitty images. Now let me show you what's in the box. The first cartridge is Hello Kitty Holiday Cards and Tags. There's 10 images. And these are so cute. Look at this one. Let's bring it in. So you get the envelope with every single card and we can ungroup. Let's see. Oh, look how easy this is. You're not putting together a lot of tiny pieces. These are so fun and easy to put together. Oh, look at this. So when you close the card, the faces will be on Hello Kitty and the little snowman. So don't look at this and think the faces are missing. They're right here on the other side of the card. So cute. That is so cute. So these are all cut out pieces. You don't have to put these on there. Let me show you. See how they're cut out so you won't see that? And then these. So cute. Awesome. All right, let's go see the others. Oh, and look, a postcard. That's cute. Awesome. Okay, let's go see the other cartridges. Hello Kitty Christmas. Now these are ornaments. They have little hooks. This one's a card. Love these cards, and every card comes with an envelope. This is a card too. And this. Cute, a Hello Kitty snowman ornament. So cute, her dress is a tree. Ornaments. So cute. That is so cute. It really is cute. Let me show you how some of these cards work. Like you can see how these cards are, but this is also a card. Let's click it. Okay, we're gonna ungroup and just start pulling these things apart so you can easily stick those on. This piece I would probably cut out of vinyl and put on the white part. Now see, there's a score line across this. So that means you put glue up above this, and then you can glue this on so it's only glued up there. And then you open this up from the bottom and it folds right here. So the fold of the card is right here. Okay, let's go to Hello Kitty Celebrations. I think this is my favorite because you can use it all year round. It has a little purse. You can put treats in here. And it has banner, a cupcake holder. How cute is that? And the cupcake holder has a little hat. And there's a little hat that you can wear yourself. And I love this. So much fun. Love it. Party time. Can make these cards, make a balloon, make a headband. It's so cute. I love this one. You can make big Hello Kitties. Oh, and they got numbers. These are for the age. You could decorate these and make these big. Let's show the inches. Let me zoom out. Let's see how big we can make a Hello Kitty. If we have 12 by 24 paper. Oh, we can make her big. Actually, all we have to do is the width is the widest we can do is 11.4. So I always do 11.45 just to be safe. How cute is that? You can make a 17-inch tall Hello Kitty to put on your wall to decorate for birthday parties. You could even get some mat board, and if you have the maker, you could get mat board. Cut the mat board out with the knife blade. So I ungrouped all this. So this piece you could cut out with mat board, and it'll be thicker, and you can stand it up. How cute is that? Join my Facebook group, Cricut Design Space with Melody Lane, and share what you make. I want to see them. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.